Imagine a world where the Indian subcontinent remained whole. No partition, no India and Pakistan, just one massive, diverse nation. This is the world we're diving into. A world where history took a different turn. We're going to explore how things might have played out if India and Pakistan never split. This isn't just a history lesson, it's about understanding how one event could reshape the world. It's about imagining the ripple effects of peace and the challenges of unity. Get ready to explore an India that could have been and the global impact of its existence. It's a trip worth taking, trust me. Let's talk numbers. An undivided India wouldn't just be big, it would be enormous. We're talking over 1.6 billion people by the late 20th century. That's more than China, and within this population a huge Muslim community, potentially the world's largest. This demographic reality would have reshaped India's social and political landscape. The sheer size of the Muslim population would have given them significant political weight. Imagine the power they would wield in elections. But it's not just about numbers, it's about the rich tapestry of cultures, languages and religions coexisting in one nation. It's about the challenges and triumphs of unity in diversity. With great size comes, well, a great military. An undivided India would boast one of the world's largest armies. We're talking millions of active personnel. This military might would make India a force to be reckoned with on the global stage. Think about it, India, with its strategic location and massive army, would be a key player in any global conflict. It could tip the scales of power. And let's not forget the impact on regional dynamics. An undivided India would change the game in Asia. It would be a counterbalance to China's growing influence. It would reshape alliances and rivalries in the region and beyond. Here's the thing, size matters in the global economy, and an undivided India would be a giant. Its workforce would be one of the world's largest, a magnet for foreign investment. Imagine the economic potential, a vast domestic market, abundant resources, and a young, driven workforce. This wouldn't be India as we know it. It would be a global economic powerhouse. But economic success isn't guaranteed. The challenges of managing such a vast and diverse economy would be immense. It would require visionary leadership and sound economic policies. Section 5. Shifting sands, geopolitical alignments and conflicts. An undivided India would be a wild card in the Cold War era. Its sheer size and military strength would make it a coveted ally for both the United States and the Soviet Union. Imagine the diplomatic tug-of-war. India, caught between two superpowers, would have to navigate this geopolitical minefield carefully. Its choices would have global consequences, but it's not just about the Cold War. An undivided India would have its own regional ambitions and rivalries. Its relationships with its neighbors, especially China, would be complex and potentially volatile. Section 6, the Great Balancing Act. Domestic politics in undivided India. Now, let's talk internal politics. Running a country as diverse as an undivided India would be like conducting an orchestra of opinions. Coalition governments, regional parties and identity politics would be the name of the game. Imagine the political landscape, a kaleidoscope of ideologies, interests and ambitions. The Muslim community, with its significant population, would play a crucial role in shaping this political landscape. Maintaining unity in such a diverse nation wouldn't be easy. It would require strong institutions, a commitment to dialogue and a shared sense of national identity. Section 7. A tapestry of cultures, the evolution of art and identity. One of the most fascinating aspects of an undivided India would be its cultural landscape. Imagine a fusion of artistic traditions, a melting pot of literary voices, and a vibrant tapestry of religious practices. Think Bollywood on steroids. The film industry, fueled by the creative energies of a united subcontinent, would be a global force. Literature, music and art would reflect the richness and complexity of this imagined nation, but cultural unity doesn't erase differences. The challenge would be to celebrate diversity while fostering a shared sense of belonging. It would be about embracing the richness of multiple identities within one nation. Section 8. Challenges and opportunities, navigating the path not taken. An undivided India is a land of what-ifs. It's a world of immense possibilities and daunting challenges. Would it be a beacon of peace and prosperity, or a cauldron of conflict and instability? It's impossible to say for sure. But one thing's for certain, the challenges of partition, the violence, the displacement, the bitter legacy that would be absent in this alternate reality. The path not taken is always full of intrigue. An undivided India invites us to imagine a world where history unfolded differently, a world full of both promise and peril. Section 9. A world transformed, reflecting on India's undivided legacy. So what can we learn from this thought experiment? By imagining an undivided India, we gain a deeper understanding of the forces that shape our world, the power of unity, the complexities of diversity, and the enduring impact of history. It's a reminder that the world we live in is not inevitable. It's the product of choices made and paths taken. And sometimes it's worth exploring the roads less traveled. An undivided India may be a hypothetical scenario, but its lessons are real. It's a reminder of the importance of dialogue, tolerance, and understanding in a world often divided.